Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making Afghani chicken kebabs with rice. It's one of our family favorite recipes. It's so delicious. Let's get started. In a blender, crush your black and green cardamoms and set aside for later. We'll be using this for the Afghani rice. Next, in a bowl, add salt to your rice and soak it in cold water for 2 hours. Time to make the marinade. In a blender, add in your onion and garlic paste. In a bowl with your chopped chicken breast, add in your onion paste, lime juice, black pepper, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, salt, orange food coloring, and mix. And let's not forget to add the Afghani spice mix we made earlier. Marinate this for at least 2 hours. We really want to taste the flavors. While the chicken marinates, let's get started on the Afghani rice. In a pot on medium heat, add your sugar and stir until it gets brown, and then follow with water. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves. Add in your soaked rice and additional water. Follow with some Afghani spice mix. This spice mix enhances all the flavors in this dish. Cover for at least 7 to 8 minutes on high heat until the rice absorbs the water. Won't you look at that? Just perfect. Add in your heated oil and mix. On low heat, make holes in the rice and sprinkle the Afghani spice mix. Cover and let it simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. While that simmers, let's put our marinated chicken on the skewers and bake for about 30 minutes on 375 degrees. How juicy do these kebabs look? Do you smell that aroma? Now let's put it all together. Let's not forget about the carrots and raisins. I will link this down below. To tie it all together, the infamous white sauce. I will also link that down below.